Okay, here we have a BALDOR bench grinder. It's currently running, you can see, very quiet. 1.5 horsepower, 230 volt, 3-phase, can be pre-wired for 460. And it includes some lights. These are the lighted eye shields. Here's your hardware for it. And here's your water coolant cup and tray, and the mounting brackets for it. It's in really good shape. Works very nicely. Basically, it's just missing a little bit of paint on the bottom here from the factory. That's about it. You can see inside there, if you flip the machine over, you can see it underneath.